Oh, Daddy's head is stuck. Unstick Daddy's head. Oh.
Dad, can you knock?
Knock? I thought I heard screaming in here.
No, you didn't, Dad.
Well, it could have been that crack I smoked earlier, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it was. Listen, I gotta leave town for a couple days, okay? No big deal. Just, you know, that new business that I started with those Colombian guys?
Oh, you mean Uncle Escobar?
Yeah, that's right. Well, there's a problem. Some money went missing, and apparently some legs are gonna get broken. It's just better if I lay low for a couple days.
Okay.
Now, if the cops raid the place...
I never heard of you.
And don't forget...
To flush your stash.
Oh, you are my little girl. I love you so much that I left you a little something in the coffee can.
Dad.
But you have to remember to step on it before you sell it. Now, what are you gonna cut it with?
Baking...
Baking soda, not baking powder, because baking powder guys will have muffins growing out of their noses.
Yeah.
You love that joke, don't you, honey? You've loved that joke since you were 2 years old. Eh? Okay, well...
Okay, I love you.
I love you.
Have a good trip.
Bye.
Bye.